Hello everyone, very good morning and welcome to the SAP Abap Career Masterclass. In this session, we are going to discuss about many different stuff in order to start the SAP Abap career. As it's a name, what we have given, you can understand it's self-explanatory, right? So I have few question over here that how many of you, okay, how many of you have not yet started the career? So just type NO in the comment section. The meaning of that means you have not started your career in the above. Just type NO so that I will understand. Okay, you have not started the career in above. Okay, so Yogesh is there who has not started. Arun is not started. Ganesh not started. Siva not started. Saptagiri not started. Siva Shankar has not started. Very good, very good, very good. And that's why I planned this session for you. So this is more relevant for the person like who have not started the career in SAP ABAP, or they are willing to start the career in SAP ABAP, but they are you know not able to find out the suitable opportunity. They are not able to find out the perfect organization, or maybe they might not be getting the call, right? As you know that to start the career in SAP any domain, it's a little challenging because the people expect to have some experience, right? So that can be also a challenge. So related with this, my another question is, how many of you have got the training in ABAP, maybe from me or from some another respected trainer, and till now you have not got the job and still you are looking for the job? So just type me in the comment section so that I can understand. Okay, you have the training, you know the ABAP, at least basics of ABAP, and you are trying to get into, you are looking for the job but you are not getting the opportunity. Just type me if there is some such person who does not have you know the uh, like they're not getting the call, or they're looking for the job. Okay, so as of now I didn't get any answer over here, so I believe none of you are having the ABAP training, is it? So next question related with this, type over here NA, that means no ABAP training. Just type NA, that means you have not got the ABAP training or any kind of SAP, mostly ABAP training. So let's see. Fine. So Yogesh, Siva, Arun, then again Siva, Madileti, then Saptagiri. So thank you for giving your honest answer, guys. And you have not started the training, or still like, and just I want to know how many of you are having maybe the training from the different domain apart from ABAP. As a fresher, you were trying to start your career, or maybe in functional domain, you might have got the training and looking for the job. Because see here, so just type me like if you are from another domain. Okay, just type me if you are from another domain so that I can understand you are not from the ABAP domain looking for the job. In fact, you are looking for you are looking from the other domain, maybe some functional domain or some. So there are two major category in SAP, right? One is technical and another is functional, right? You know that in functional we have STMMPP. We are going to discuss that, and I'm going to take up your questions in detail. Okay, and I'll be giving all the answers with my level base to have the better clarity. Fine. So see here, I'm having one concern. I'm having one concern. Total in this webinar, I'm able to see that there are 10 participants. Okay, but all these 10 answer I'm expecting. If you have not ABAP training, then there should be 10 no over here. So I just got it over here, 6 no. What about other 4? One each from the functional, that is perfectly fine. So 7. What about other 3? I want everyone to be interactive. Otherwise, there is no meaning of attending this one. All right. If you are not going to be active over here, then it's not going to be beneficial. So please be interactive and type the other 3% who has not typed yet, and then we will move ahead. Fine. So please type if you are there. Fine. Sai also has written. Thank you, Sai, for being interactive. Become interactive actually, it's going to help me as well to understand your requirement. Otherwise, how will I understand, right? Thank you, Yash. Be interactive. It's the open forum where you can discuss anything with me, and you can tell to me. There is no one going to judge it over here and something like that. Chandini, I'm an intern in Deloitte working as an Abap developer. Very good, Chandini. Thank you for being honest and giving your answer over here and open to everyone. Awesome. So Deloitte is a very good company, and there you will get the enormous opportunity to work on the different different project. But currently we're working as an intern. Let's see how your career goes over there. We will be discussing on this particular part whether you are going to continue in Deloitte, or maybe even if you're not going to continue in Deloitte, try to learn from there, you know, work on the different work with the basics of ABAP, or I don't know like in which domain you were working over there, but yes, ABAP developer you have written. So it's very good. At least learn something from there as an intern. Try to implement some maybe try to write some program, some class, some function modules, some module pool. It depends like what kind of requirement over there. Try to grab more opportunity. And initially, as we know, like we have to put a lot of effort, right? Whatever the technology, we have to put a lot of effort. However, ABAP is easier if you compare with another technology. Fine. So now I have the clear picture what kind of audience I am having. And now let's go and resume our session. Okay. So this session is mostly like how we are going to start the career in ABAP related with that. That's already clear. Let me introduce about myself. How many of you already know about me? Just type me in the comment section. Everyone, please type me if you already know about me, like if you have gone through my LinkedIn profile, right? So, or if you have gone through my YouTube channel, right? So maybe you have gone through my YouTube channel but not gone through the LinkedIn profile. Better you follow me on the LinkedIn, or just send me a connection request on the LinkedIn, so that we will be connected together. There, what I used to do that, I used to post over there the regular interview questions and answer related stuff that you will go and get the notification and all. And a kind of interview preparation will be there, knowingly or unknowingly. If you are there with me in the connection on the LinkedIn or Facebook or Telegram, whatever the medium, just get connected with me. You are going to get the value. Okay. So Get connected, just type GC, get connected everywhere and get the value. Just type GC like if you are committed to be with me, to get connected with me, so that you can get the value. On every day I keep on posting some interview questions and answer related stuff over there. So thank you, Siva Saptagiri, Yogesh Other would not like to get connected with me. Would you not like to get the value from my side? If not, just type no and I will try to understand why, right? This is all about that, right? If you are willing to have start your career in ABAP, you have to be in the association with that kind of person who can teach you about ABAP, who can make you understand about ABAP, right? So that's why similar kind of association is important, and that's where social media comes into picture. What you want to be, get connected with that kind of person, you know, not only me, whoever is there in the ABAP domain, just have the connection with them, and then you will be having the flavor of that. You will get such kind of environment, and you will be having the better clarity, better strategy, all those things, right? Just type C if it is clear for everyone. Just type capital C if it's clear for everyone. Hope you are enjoying this session. I'm asking to type you, and right. So are you enjoying the session? Just type E if you are enjoying the session. Just type capital E if you are enjoying the session, right? Very good. Thank you for being honest and giving the answer, guys. I'm also enjoying the session. And let me start about myself a little more so that you can have the better connection with me. Once you know completely about me, you know, you are going to have the better connection. So I started actually my career as an intern with Accenture in 2010. And from that time onwards, I have been there in SAP field. Started the career in ABAP. Initial journey was difficult for me. I felt a lot of difficulty to write the program, to understand the ABAP, and it was not so smooth journey initially for me. It was very challenging, and that's where I decided that once I learn the ABAP, I will share with my community, I will share with the students. And that's where you can see the depth concept in ABAP. You can find out my on YouTube channel, right? So it was really very difficult in beginning, but as soon as I started getting the experience, and it's going to having more or less with you also. So nothing to worry. Now I'm confident I can write any kind of program, right? I can create any kind of function module. I can use the object-oriented approach. I can do the coding in ABAP on HANA, right? So a lot of competency need to be developed in order to grow. And for that, we have to put the effort. There is no other second way, right? Hope you agree with me. Just type capital A if you agree with me on these points. Accenture worked around 4 years over there. Then I went into Sopra Steria. There also worked around 3 years. And then I'm currently working in another MNC. Done two implementation project, one migration, one rollout, and two support projects. So I got a good combination of project, fortunately, and that's why it also helped me to increase the competency, helped me to improve my concept. However, one thing what I realized that just working in the project is not going to give you the good, you know, uh, knowledge. In order to have the better knowledge, good knowledge, you have to put your effort and you have to learn from the different sources. You have to get some trainer, some mentor who can guide you initially, because initially it's going to be very difficult. Like if you think that you can learn yourself, maybe somebody from you be exception, that is completely possible. But for me it was not that case. I also got the training from the video mode. One of some I'm just missing that surname actually. uh, some Reddy, his name was, it is 8 years back a story. Got his video, got learned from there some basics of Abap, you know, and that's how, like, so once I learned from there, I got the confidence. Okay, now I can do the coding. So I'm really so much grateful, lot of gratitude to that sir who prepared that video, and was able to get that video, and with that I was able to learn, and it actually increased a lot of confidence in me. Otherwise it would have been really difficult. Then 4 years back I have started giving the training when I was having somewhere experience 8.5 years like that, you know. So started giving the training in Abap, and then the journey has continued. So Oops Abap also I've been providing the training, Abap on HANA, iDoc, Adobe Form, OData. So and now yet more to come. I'm founder of Abap Ritual Community, and I believe most of you are there already member of that community. That's the Telegram group, WhatsApp group. So if you are not the part of that community, become the part of the community. In case of any question or anything, if you are finding difficulties, you can put it over there for free and you will get a free answer. You know, most of the people response, right? Most of the time you will get the response over there. So become the part of that community. I'll be sharing the link also in the WhatsApp group in this, you know, and if you have not yet joined, you can join over there. I'm owner of YouTube channel. We are more than 9.5k subscribers are there, taking advantage of that. Be part of that YouTube channel. You will be having the good learning. So if you are not yet part of the, you know, channel, become the part of that. Just subscribe, and you will be keep on getting the notification. For that, you will have to, you know, enable the bell icon so that you can get the notification whenever I post any videos. Okay, so this is just for your advantage. Like if you are interested to learn the new thing and all those things, this is the medium you can connect with me and get, you know, the maximum advantage. This is my educational background. I just wanted to share my educational background as well. I have done matriculation from the Bihar board. I'm basically from Muzaffarpur, Bihar. So this matriculation is from Bihar board, and actually we get the two options over there to select in matriculation. One is economics and another is advanced maths. So I was good in mathematics. I was a mathematics loving guy. So choose the advanced mathematics over there. And this mathematics used to be a, you know, tough mathematics. It is like the current +2 mathematics is same as the advanced mathematics of 10th class of Bihar board. So, but because I was good, I've selected and I got the first class, and I was fortunate enough to become the high school topper in my, you know, high school. Then I did again from the Bihar board itself, the intermediate, that also I got the first class over there. Then BSc Mathematics honors I have done with the first class. Then MCA I have done from the Pondicherry University. This BSc also like Bhimrao Ambedkar Bihar University. There is a MPS Science College there in Muzaffarpur. From there I have pursued this. And this intermediate is from the RDS College. We tell that Ram Dayalu Singh College over there. And MCA from the Pondicherry Central University, Caracal campus, with first class. I was under the top 5 students over there in order to have the marks. So hope you got some idea about me. And now, uh, 4 regions. But before going ahead, did you got the good clarity about me, right? Just type capital C, clarity, that yes, now you knew your speaker, how he is, how much experience, what is his educational background and all, right? Just type capital C. Thank you for giving the confirmation and writing it over here. I really acknowledge your effort of writing over here and being with me. Thank you. So training, like providing training and giving training, is also my passion. Like if you talk about my interest and all those things, writing poem, I used to write lyrics also, but due to the time limitation and all, everything is now not there. But yes, this used to be my passion, and now training is like it is there in the continuous flow. When I was in 8th class, there itself, like I used to teach the 7th class student and all, I love this actually. Okay. Fine, let's come over here, and 4 reasons why one should start career in SAP ABAP. First, you tell why you should start your career in SAP ABAP. What motivates you to start your career in SAP ABAP? You have to just tell. Or what I can do that, you can raise your hand if you want to speak, and I will unmute you. Okay. Just raise your hand, because I'm not unmuting everyone, so because sometimes what happens, by mistake you forget to mute from your side, and then I get the background noise, right? Everyone get disturbs, right? So uh Raja Babu, I'm just allowing you to talk. Yes, Raja, you can speak now.
Yeah, may I audible?
Yes, Raja, yes, I'm able to hear you.
Yeah. So first of all, thanks for giving this wonderful opportunity to share. So
Welcome.
what actually motivates me means, I compare to C plus and Java and whatever the other technologies is there, compared to ABAP, compared to that languages with ABAP. ABAP is very easily to learn. Even if you are not came from the background of computer science, you can easily learn. But it's ABAP is easy. ABAP is learning for learning purpose. ABAP is easy. During the work, little bit is everyone we need to do think logically. That is another level. But even if you are not belongs to computer science background, also it's easy to learn. So this is the main advantages of ABAP.
Good, good. Thank you for being honest and giving your answer over here, Raja. I really appreciate your effort.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah, fine. So now let me mute him, and anyone else would like to let me know. Or you can type here also, like if you're not comfortable in speaking, or if you at this moment, like if you find that fine, uh, you don't want to speak, that's completely fine. You can type here 1 or 2 words, like what you find positive stuff in the app, and that's why you are here. Yeah. Please type. Please type or raise your hand. I will, unmute you, and then you can speak. Come on, guys. Just type or you have to raise your hand. I want to get some more answer. As Raja was open in the same way. Okay. Ranga refer me for SCP. That's perfectly fine. Okay. Like reference, how many of you have come over here? Can you just let me know? Just type me if you have come just by reference. You don't know, like, where to start actually your career. Nothing motivated you, just by the leap of faith, right? You have come over here. Just type me so that I will understand. Okay, you don't have idea about ABAP. And that's where this program is, right? That's where this session is I'm going to give you. But if you know already, like if you have already decided to start your career, just write some one thing or two thing, just one word or two word about the above. Please write. It's initially I told you like that you have to write, you have to become interactive, right? Just type. Okay, I can understand that you are not willing to type, or I'm not sure what's the problem, or you don't have enough clarity, right? This is what I can, yeah, fine. I can understand. It seems like you don't have good idea about this topic. You are just looking here and there to start your career, and you came across my post and you have joined. That's completely fine. No problem. And that's why I have arranged this session. Okay. So thank you for being honest uh, with me, with all the participants over here. And then let's go ahead. Sai is asking about is easy to learn. Yes, it's easy to learn, but not that much easy when you come into the actual project. Okay, but it's easy to learn. It happens in fact with any language. At least Abap is easy to learn, and even to write the code also it's very easy. So it depends like how hungry you are and how much you want to learn. If you don't want to learn and you want to get everything easy, it will be difficult, right? So if you are hungry to learn, if you are learning, then of course it's going to be easy. Not only ABAP, anything. Okay. However, ABAP is really easy. Okay. Fine. So see, ABAP is SAP core technology. What is SAP? SAP is an ERP. How many of you know that SAP and ERP? Just type ERP if you already know. Just type ERP. SAP is an ERP. Very good. What's the full form of ERP? Just type over here. Full form of ERP. Full form of ERP is Enterprise Resource Planning. Where it is get used? Very good, Raja Babu Ganesh. Thank you for writing. Thank you, Chandani. So, very good. It gets used in the business industries. Thanks, Raja. Business industry. Mostly where the big company or intermediate size companies are there, like Tata, right? Reliance, ONGC, right? All Noratna, I think, use this SAP because those are the big company, right? Then your Walmart, all around the world, the big company, use this one, Vodafone, right? So whatever the company you can think, most of the company uses the SAP as a solution. So the craze in the mobile is there for Apple. The same craze, the same kind of service, same kind of flavor you can expect with SAP in ERP field. That's why it is so popular actually. And it's an awesome software. It's a fantastic software. It's marvelous software. It's a superb software. Once you come into this field, you will realize what actually this SAP is. This SAP is really wonderful miracle for the business, and that's why lot of modules are there in SAP for different purposes. Different solutions are there, right? What I mean to say, like, see, let's assume any company, for example. Okay, let me go to this PPT so that it will be easy to understand. So see, this is your company. For example, this company can be any company. Let's suppose It's the Tata Steel. Okay. So they will be having to procure the raw material, right, from some vendors. So for that purpose, they would require to create the PO, to handle the PO, to handle the material, right? So these things will be managed under the module, material management module. Okay. Procurement. Procurement like purchase order, purchase requisition, purchasing takes cares under the module. A separate module itself is there. Like you don't think that just I have to purchase. No, there are so many process involved, right? First, requisition happens, then purchase order gets created, uh, quotation, right? Quotation comes, and after this, once you decide that proper quotation, create the purchase order, then then you are going to get the material, give the receipts, right? The vendor gives you the invoice and you issue the invoice, right? You release the payment. So process is there actually. Some 5 or 6 important steps process are there. And believe me that it's not so easy like if you handle it manually, where lot of transaction happens, lot of stuff comes into the company and lot of stuff goes from the company. So this is when you have to procure anything, comes into picture. A single consultant is required for that purpose. This is the functional stuff I'm talking about. Okay. And when you are selling, right, you have to sell also. When you create the product, you have to sell as well. So for the selling purpose, you have what? Tell me, who will tell? Which module for selling purpose in SAP handles the sales process? Which module in SAP handles the sales process? The module name is SD, sales and distribution. SD module. Okay. So no problem. I can understand you are from fresher background, so you were not able to give the answer. That's perfectly fine. SD module. All right. This is the SD module, which is responsible. Similarly, these are the major module which I'm writing it over here. Similarly, like for producing the stuff, you have some sequence of operation that is known as routing actually. And there people use the PP, production planning. SAP PP is a separate module. It gets used in the manufacturing industry. Then there is one module called project system. I don't know more about this project system. I think this is to manage the project, something like that. So similarly, HR module to manage the HR, human resource. A company can have more than 1 lakh of employee, right? Like Accenture is having more than 1 lakh employee, right? Deloitte is also, I think, a lot of employees are there. So you have to manage the employee, and for that, SAP is having the solution called SAP HR. Okay. Similarly, there are many different modules. So I've written SD, PP, PS, MM. Then you have the FICO also, finance and controlling, one of the popular module, a stable module of the SAP, which getting used very. For all these modules, you are having the, you know, different consultant, the dedicated consultant, one single person. And in this like module, there will be 5 or 6 consultant, depends on the project size or company size, right? 10 consultant, 15 consultant, 20 consultant, 50 depends like how big the project, how big the organization is there, and how much people is required to manage that particular module. And everything is going to get managed with the SAP software. Okay. So now you have n number of modules. You have n number of modules in SAP. Okay. You have n number of modules in SAP. You know that these all are automation, right? These all are software, and software will be written in some sort of language, right? You will not go and simply write the, you know, uh, you will simply write the code. Some language will require, correct? Some language will require. So what kind of language is used in order to develop this particular, solution? This is a software actually. FICO is the software. SAP HR is the software. These are the small software under the big software called SAP, right? So HR is one part, FICO is one part, SD is one part, MM is one part, like that. Hope you are able to understand, right? So in order to, so if you are able to understand, just type capital Y. If you are able to understand what I'm trying to tell, just type capital Y. Okay, very good, very good, fine. So now you have given the answer correctly. Abap. See, because ABAP is a programming language with the help of which you can write the program, you can create the product. See, these are the product created in ABAP language, right? So SAP is having partners also who use the ABAP language and create the product for SAP, like MMSD and all. This is the SAP product. Similarly, SAP having some partners, many partners in fact, and they create the product, a small software, right? And they are in collaboration with SAP and they sell their product, okay, as a solution. Product is nothing but solution, right? So ABAP is one of the ABAP is the programming language, not one of the programming language. This is a programming language only to write the SAP module. ABAP, only ABAP to write the. So all these codes have been written in ABAP for whatever the number of modules, 200, 300. It will be around, I think, more than 300 or 400 modules will be there in SAP. And for all these modules, the code is written in uh, ABAP only. And that's where ABAP demand is going to be always there, as SAP is going to be there. And SAP is, you know, like 70% of organization, you can say 70 to 80% organization, you can say, that uses the SAP. So it's there in the heart, it's there in the blood of the organization, and it's not going to be anywhere. And SAP is also evolving day by day enormously, right? So there is no way that it's you know going to be some bad thing happen or something like that. Nothing to worry from that point of view. ABAP, because all these modules are going to be there, ABAP has to be there, and this single stuff is getting used in many different functional components, functional solution, everywhere ABAPers are required, and that's why most of the openings are there in the ABAP in SAP world. Simply just go and write the ABAP in your profile and see, you will start getting the call. That's the magic of ABAP. This ABAP is also important for the functional people. If they are having at least the basic understanding of ABAP, they can become a functional, better functional. You know. So what actually I'm trying to tell, that in ABAP, in SAP, there are two main domain. One is what? Technical. In technical, you have this ABAP, okay, and functional, you are going to have SD, MMPP. All this comes under the functional. and this ABAP is going to be used everywhere. And that's why ABAP is going to be always there in the more demand. If the functional people also are having some technical knowledge of ABAP, they can become the better functional, because they can read the code, they can understand the code, they can debug the code. And that's why many of the functional people, or most of the functional people, try to learn at least core of the ABAP, core ABAP, basic ABAP. Okay. So hope till here it's clear for everyone. Just type capital C if it's clear for everyone. Super, awesome. Now let's go to the slides and see. We have seen core of SAP technologies ABAP. You understood, right? ABAP is easy to learn because it's a fourth generation language. I will write you one program, and I will show you how it's easy. If you know some SQL and all, it's really going to be, uh, very easy to learn. So let me prove this particular point that it's easy to learn, at least with one demo. So I'm sharing my SAP system and how it looks like. SAP system, that also you will be having the idea. Okay, so let me share the complete screen so that it will be easy. Hope you are able to see this. And now let's come here and see here. This is the SAP logon. You will have to install this. Okay, so just double click. Already I have installed. In order to connect with SAP, in order to work with SAP, you have to connect with this SAP logon. Okay, now here the different server I have here in the list. So I'm just going to log in into this particular server. Just one server is required for uh, you know uh, it can, one organization can have the different server for CRM, SRM, ECC. So it depends, like, okay, for HR. So multiple server, multiple solution they can have, multiple box they can have. So nothing to worry much about that. Just to understand that how to log in, this is the way how you have to log in. Okay, give user ID and password. In order to write a program, you have to go to the transaction AC38. Just type AC38. Which transaction is used in order to write the program in SAP? Just type AC38. Okay, very good, Sai. Other people, just type SE38. I'm waiting for your response. You have come here. You have to go by learning something from here. I will not let you go without learning something. Okay. See, I'm just going to write one program. JED ABAP career start. Okay. Click on this create button and ABAP career demo executable program, and click on this save button and just click on this local object. Now here you can write the program. I want to write over here, welcome to ABAP career starter webinar. This is a webinar going on, right? If you have to print on output, if you have to show this output, just you have to write this. Write is a keyword over here, and the string which you want to populate, the statement which you want to populate, you have to put in single quote. That's it. You can see that how easy this one, right? Just you have to print. In order to print this one, you know Welcome to Abap Career Starter webinar. What I did, I pressed F8, this particular button I have pressed, or on the keyboard, I press F8. That's it. That's it. And I was able to print this one. It was very simple, right? Now I want to comment. Then in order to comment, just you have to give the star in beginning. Okay. And it got commented. What I want to do now, I want to fetch some data from some table. So in SAP, there are many different tables. One of the table is Mara table. Okay. So I'm going to fetch some data from the Mara table. In Mara, you have the Matner. I will show you the Mara table here. Transaction for displaying the table is SC11. And you can see that I'm giving, let me do one thing, open a separate session. So here on this button, you can click and it will open a separate session. Okay. Here, if you want to use the same session, what you can do that, you just go back, same session. Directly, you can also come over here, but all those things I don't want to go. I want to keep it simple over here and give the SC11. SC11 is for displaying the table, right? So this SC11 is a T code for displaying the table view, data type, and all these things. This is known as actually data dictionary. Okay. So we have come over here and I want to give this Mara table. You can see the database table Mara I'm giving. This is for material master. This table is for material master. You can see that the Matner is one field, different field you are having, right? So this is the field I'm talking about. So in this particular table, if you execute, see, these are the data present in Mara table. My requirement is what that I want to fetch some of the field, maybe Matner, this created by, right? Like this material type, industry sector, material group, right? These some few fields I just want to fetch from here and displaying the output with the help of program. So go to AC38 once again, and I will go into the change mode so that I can write the program. Let me comment this one and fetch the data. So select Matner, MTART, MATKL, some three fields just I'm going to select into table. See, this is the Mara table from where I have to fetch the data. What are the fields I have to fetch? You have to mention it over here. And if you are fetching this field somewhere, you have to store temporarily so that you can display. That is known as in Abap internal table. Okay. So IT underscore tab is my internal table, temporary table. At runtime, the data will be fetched from Mara table, this data, and it will be stored over here in IT underscore tab. Okay. Just I want to get some, 20 rows, something like that. So 20 rows, you will get it over here. But this internal table need to be declared. So we can use at the rate data. This is ABAP new syntax. Actually, when we talk about ABAP syntax have been categorized in two parts. One is old syntax and another is new syntax. New syntax is very convenient for a developer to write. However, sometimes you will feel little complexity, but with practice, it becomes easy. Okay. So see, let's not go into that. But the thing what I'm trying to tell that I'm using the new syntax over here in order to declare this internal table. Why? This internal table should be of same shape as what the data we are fetching, right? Three fields should have this particular internal table, right? Then only these three fields data will come and sit over here in this internal table. This internal table is nothing like a container. It is a container. See, if you buy a car, right, from the showroom, you should have some place to get that car at your home, right? That car you, that place you tell as a garage, correct? So similarly, from Mara you can understand like a showroom, and these are the different cars. When these are going to come, you have to put in some, you know, some parking, right? You have to put in some parking. So like that you can understand. Okay, so it should be of same shape. So it will be having three fields, matner, mtart, and matk, and this data is going to be stored over here. And now you can put the loop on this it underscore tab into, again I can use the new syntax, w a tab, and just write it, w underscore tab matner, w underscore tab mtart, and w underscore tab matl. These three fields we are just trying to populate. Okay, and just in order to display in the new line, we are going to give like this. That's it. And now you will be able to see the output over here. It's simple actually, you know. Just I wanted to make you explain so that you will be easily able to relate, and you can see that we are able to display this output over here. This is material, this is material type, and this is what? Material group. If you want to display the header over here, just type, write it over here like that, write material, then you have the material type, then you have the material group. Like that you can just do it over here. Okay, and I want to format it. So material is of 40 characters, so just give the 40, so that after 40 characters from beginning, material type will be printed, and material type is of 4 characters, so 40 plus 4, 44. Just give 44, so from beginning it will be 44. So just I am, you know, formatting this one. It's simple. Just run this and you can see the material. This is the material type and this is the material group. Here some you know, it's overlapping. So what I will do that, give this some bigger value. Maybe you give 50 over here. Then in that case, here also you'll have to give the 40, and here also you'll have to give the 50, so that everything is going to be aligned. Okay, press F8 and you can see that now it's coming perfectly. So you can see that how easy this one to write this. Okay, just 40 means from beginning, right? After how many places? 50 means from beginning after how many places, right? So this is what actually we have to write. We want to tell after how many places from beginning in the sense from here, from very left, from very left. So after 40 characters till here, and again after 50 characters from here to here, it's coming, and that's why everything is aligned, and everywhere that's why I've got 40 and 50 over here. How did you find this one? Did you find difficult? If this code you find a difficult, type D, or if you find easy to understand, just type capital E. Just type capital E if you found it easy to understand. Such kind of code you will be able to see in the Abap, and this is what you have to do, you know, such kind of coding. So it's easy, like, you know, so here you can say the loop part means you are going to do the loop. You have do and do, such kind of syntax you will be able to see. While and while, you know, so while loop it will come like this. It's easy actually. You will find it easy with compared to other language. Okay, fine. So Sai has written E, Chandani E, Arun E, other. Are you finding it difficult? See, if you are finding it difficult, you should not worry. You should write, yes, it's difficult, so that I can also understand, okay, it's not that much easy, which we are understanding, right? If you are finding easy, just type capital E. Just type capital E so that, I can understand, okay, you are able to understand. Okay, fine, very good. So it's easy basically. Once you come into this, you will realize. Okay, but it is not that much easy also. Like, you don't think that you come once and just you practice loop and in loop and all these things, it becomes, no, there are so many things to learn, right? That's where in my SAP ABAP course, 130 hours of contents are there. So something will be there, something need to be learned in order to become expert, right? Advanced level concept I have covered over there. Generally, you will see from, in the market, like the content, you will get like 50 hours, 60 hours, 30 hours, 40 hours, like that. So something I have covered from scratch to advanced level, and you know uh, that's where SAP whole things you can learn from there. So what I mean to say that you don't have to think it is very, very easy. Yes, it's easy to learn, but you have to learn many things. Okay, this is what my agenda to explain. Now let's come over here. The second part, more or less, you understood that it's easy to learn. It's a fourth generation language. The most important thing that it always going to have the huge opening, and you can start with any salary package and you can expect the exponential growth in this particular, you know SAP field, right? So from the package point of view and all that, also I'm going to, uh, give you more ideas so that it will be easy for you to understand. Minimum qualification, see, any graduate can make their career, make his or her career in SAP domain. Okay, if you want to make your career in SAP ABAP, right? ABAP, you know that the language is a little technical, right? Whenever we talk about the language, it's a technical. Like, you should have some aptitude mindset. Your aptitude should be good. Like, uh, you should have the good, not expert kind of reasoning skill, but you should know like how reasoning works, right? So that's why it's good, like if you are from the mathematics background, because if you are from the mathematics background, and if you have some paper in mathematics, right, you will be easily able to relate, right? Programming will be cakewalk for you, right? It's very easy if you are from the mathematics background. It does not mean that if someone is from art background, they cannot learn ABAP. They can 100% learn ABAP, and even they can be very much possibility that become the better programmer. There is no doubt. Okay, it depends like how much effort and how logically he each sound. Logically, you have to become logical. That's it. Okay. So if you are from BSc, BCom, BCA, MCA, BTech, BE, BBA, MBA, from all these ground, BBA, MBA, there also you will be having some mathematics paper, right? If you want to learn ABAP, completely fine for everyone over here. And tomorrow, like after learning the ABAP, you don't find good with ABAP. See, most of the time you are going to find it good, but still, like if you don't find it good and you are changing your career towards the SAP functional domain like MMSDPP, right? Towards that, because those are the functional stuff. Business process are there. You have to know the customizing. So that is a different thing. That is not more logical or something like more technical things. That is the functional stuff. So there, like if you're going to change, this ABAP is going to help you enormously, going to help you huge, going to help you a lot. ये आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा मदद करने वाला है. This is going to help you a lot. Okay. BA, you are also from the BA background. You will also can learn. Nothing to worry. Anyone can learn about. Just graduation is important. Okay. Some 15 years of mandatory, 15 or 16, but graduation, like if you have the simple terminology, like if you have the graduation, you can go ahead by learning that, by because organization would expect you to have the bachelor degree, you know, most of the organization. That's why the we are telling about this. So now the question over here, how to start career in ABAP, right? What I would suggest, it's not mandatory that you choose me as your mentor. Any mentor who is qualified, right? Who is having some experience in SAP ABAP, who is having passionate about training, if they can provide you the trainer, learn from him. Beginning it is required. If you think that you can learn yourself, maybe you can learn, but it's always good, at least in initial phase, that you learn with a qualified mentor. Second point, master in basics of ABAP. Basics is very, very important. How many of you know that in order to build a big building, complex building, right? 30 floors, 50 floors, 100 floors building, right? See, if you have to build your 10-floor building, accordingly, the base you have to prepare, right? If you have to prepare the 20-floor building, accordingly, your base need to be prepared. If you have to build the 100-floor building, accordingly, you have to prepare your base. So in order to prepare the 100 floors building, the base should be very, 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 very strong. Do you agree with me on this or not? Just tell me. Yes. If you agree with me on this, just type capital Y. Just type capital Y. Yes, base should be strong, right? Base should be strong. Base must be strong. So master in basics of ABAP, and then you can build the strong building on top of that. And what's the basic? Basic is you should know the syntax, the basic syntax, how loop works, how write a statement works, right? How read a statement works, right? So this just how internal table works, how to read the data from internal table, how to uh, read the data from internal table and put into work area, how to apply the binary search, right? What is a standard table? What is sorted table? What is hash table, right? How to create a table, right? How to create a view, how to create a search help, how to create a lock object, right? So how to create a screen. So so many aspect of SAP ABAP are there. Basic you have to learn. That's it. Just you have to learn the basic. RISEF, right? RISEF means R stands for report, I for interface, C for conversion, E for enhancement, F for forms. Report, means program. I, interface means two things if you want to connect together, one SAP system with another SAP system. How you can connect together? Using the ALE, right? That is the interface. So ALE IDOC is a technology through which you can connect to system, right? BAPI is also part of ABAP. So through BAPI, one system can fetch the data from the another system. Like that, you can understand at this moment. Conversion, right? Then enhancement. Existing standard program is there, you want to enhance, right? So these are the different parts of ABAP in which you have to understand the basics. At this moment, you might be finding it puzzled, but nothing to worry, these are very easy. Okay. Command on very important interview questions, right? If you are looking for a BAP, you should know what are the important interview question and you have to prepare for that. Just prepare for that and you are going to get the job. Because you are fresher, they are going to expect just the basic understanding, and whatever the question they are going to ask, just give the answer. Okay. So I think how many of you have seen my interview questions and answer series on the YouTube or have taken from my website? Just type me if you have seen the interview questions and answer on the YouTube or have taken from my website. Just type me if you have. Okay, fine, no problem. I think you have not gone through that, but my website is going to be very convenient, or my YouTube channel is going to be very convenient. Just let me show you over here. So here, if you just come go to the courses, you can get the interview question and answer. You know, just search for the interview question and answer, and you will be able to find from Abap interview question and answer, Abap on HANA interview question and answer. For example, at this moment in Abap package, I provide both. Okay, core Abap, right? iDoc, Adobe Form, and interview questions and answer. So these are all set of important interview questions and answer which you can get at one place. See, lecture 1, lecture 2, lecture 3. So this is the recorded session, right? So just 23 session you have to go through. Maybe this will be of see here 23 minutes, 13 minutes, 18 minutes, like that. These session are just you have to go through, and somewhere uh, it's how much total hours? 8 hours 5 minutes. So you have to spend 8 hours 5 minutes. Of course you have to practice, right? Just simply by looking into 8 hours and 5 minutes will not help you very much. It will help, but not very much. You have to practice. I'll be giving you the PPT, right? And from that PPT you will get the all the questions and answer from there, and then you can just practice. But once you have to go through, but simply directly you can't go through the interview question and answer. You should have the basic understanding first, remember, right? First you should have the basic understanding, and then you can go through the interview question and answer video, and then see you are going to get the job for sure. Okay, that I'm sure. If you follow me, if you follow my videos, if you follow the interview questions and answer, you know, this is what the system, this is what the product I have prepared for you. Like if you are looking for the Abap to, like you want to get involved into Abap full-fledged. Okay, fine. Prepare the resume with all your hands-on assignment. Like what I mean to say, that in resume you mention whatever hands-on you have done in the course, just you mention, because you will be not having any real-time experience at this moment because you are fresher, right? So give those hands-on which I have given you a assignment, or if you are taking training from somewhere else, he must be giving some assignment, right? Just put those assignment over there and that will be sufficient. Okay, then put on various job portal like Naukri, Monster. Your resume, you have to create your profile, right? So create your profile on naukri.com, on monster.com. These are the good website. Don't go with Shine, those are fraud. So be aware. I have lost my 20,000 around with the shine.com. Don't trust on them. If any call get from Shine, just, I don't have good experience with them. And that's why, and I have seen many people in my community. Okay. So actually, when I'm talking about the community, let me show you. This is my inner circle community. So these are my paid students, basically. So whenever someone comes in my community, so it's 169, but in fact, it's more than 250 people at this moment. I have to add everyone over here, in fact. And you know. So if once you come in this community, you are going to get so many different types of helps also, right? So like if you are struggling with the job, you can put it over there that in case if any openings are there. I'm not giving the guarantee for job, but yes, it's will be helpful, you know. It will be, you have to put your effort. I'm going to be help you, I'm going to help you, my community is going to help you, my other students are going to help you in order to get the job as soon as possible. But you have to put your effort, right? I can't crack the interview on behalf of you, I can't go through the videos on behalf of you. You have to put the effort, and I'm sure that you will get the job. Market is good and you will get the job. Abap, lot of openings are there. Anyways, put on various job portal like Naukri and Monster. Create a great profile on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is going to be, you know, biggest job portal in the future. This is my like gut feeling what I can understand the power of LinkedIn. You know, most of my candidate gets job from LinkedIn. You know, so LinkedIn is very important. Create your strong profile on LinkedIn and be active on LinkedIn. Follow some good SAP related people over there and get the, you know, send the connection request or follow them at least, so that whenever they post something you will be having some idea, right? So you create your great profile. How many of you are having a profile created on LinkedIn? Just type me. Just type me. Yash have profile created. Very good, Yash. Very good. Superb. Ganesh has already. Other people. Other people. Type type fast. Type fast. Shiva has not created. Fine, no problem. Thank you, Shiva, for being honest. Other people type fast. Right. Chandani has already created. Very good. Very good. Thank you for being honest, Siva, Arun, Saptagiri, Siva Sankar. I really appreciate you. See, what you do the first thing today after this session, please go on LinkedIn, create your profile. My humble request, please go on the LinkedIn and create your profile. Put your nice image over there, professional image, okay, and maintain your uh, LinkedIn, you know, like give all the education and everything, and mingle with LinkedIn more than Facebook and all, you know, mingle with LinkedIn because you are going to be professional, right? And that's where LinkedIn is going to be helpful a lot. So be there on the LinkedIn, please. Okay. So just type committed if you are going to there on the LinkedIn and create your profile. Just type capital C. You are committed. So very first thing you have to do after this session, go on LinkedIn and create your profile, right? Very good, very good. Thank you for Shiva, Arun, and Shiva Shankar for commitment. Other people, I believe you all are having the profile over there. If not, please go. Okay, fine. So once you start searching for the job, you know, because you are looking for the job in the ABAP domain, ABAP job for fresher, right? ABAP freshers job, such kind of hashtag you can search with. Okay. Or once you mention the ABAP in your profile, automatically such kind of post you will start getting. Okay. But this is how you can start searching ABAP job for fresher or ABAP fresher, something like that. And you will see the various posts over there. So LinkedIn is very good for any kind of like, you know, for fresher experience to get the job over there. Okay. Accountability partner, very important. Accountability partner is very important to have. Why I'm telling, see, some days back I started gym. I'm telling about myself. Okay. I went for 5 days or 6 days like that, and then after I stopped because I was not feeling to go over there, like, you know, The enthusiasm, the self motivation is not maintained for me more than 5 days. I lost the continuity. I lost the consistency. I lost the regularity. Why? Why? Because no one was there to ask me, Pankaj, let's go to the gym, or did you go gym today? You have enrolled for the gym, you have paid the money for complete year, and just you went for 5 days. Then what's the meaning, right? And that's where the accountability partner comes into picture. Okay. Actually, what happened that me and one of my friend both joined that gym. My timing was different, his timing was different. Okay. Due to various training and all these programs, my timing got disturbed. Then I realized that why not to be accountable with my friend who also required me as a accountability. He was also not that much regular, but he was better than me. He used to go maximum time, but not regular. We discussed again in one fine morning, and then we decided let's be accountable to each other and let's go together. Okay. And whenever now, if I stop going, he asks why you didn't go. And when he does not go, I ask to him why you didn't go. Right? So we are accountable, in fact, to each other. You should have one accountability partner. You know, make your friend who is really sensible, like who is willing to go on this journey. Okay. So I have also created the environment. I have told you like that WhatsApp group. There many similar mindset of people you will get. You can just ask them that I'm looking for an accountability partner. Will you be accountable? And they know that how I teach, what is my way of teaching, what kind of community I'm preparing, how you know so they also are looking for accountability partner. And if someone is not having, because most of the people like uh many people keeps on coming and they keep on looking for the accountability partner. So that's where you will also get the accountability partner. Okay. So accountability partner is important. Whether you come into my community or not, that is not important. If you are able to find it from somewhere, accountability partner, that's really great. Okay, fine. Now then the environment is very important. Environment is very important. Environment is more powerful than your willpower, right? Hope you have heard this quote. Environment is more powerful than willpower. I will tell with one example. I'm from Bihar. It was very difficult for me to learn the English. It was very difficult for me to learn the English, but I learned English. I'm able to speak in front of you. Many of you might be, or some of you might be better speaker than me in English. That is completely possible. You might be from CBSE background or from English domain. All right. But for me, it was very difficult. Till graduation, I was not able to speak English fluently. Just broken English, you know. But I was having the good understanding of grammar. Most of the people from Bihar or UP, kind of, from the Hindi Pradesh, from the Hindi region, you will see that their grammar is good, but they are not good in speaking. Why? Because, and from the Hindi medium background, I'm talking about, not from the English medium background, because they don't have the suitable environment, right? It's very difficult. And when I went into MCA in Pondicherry University, Pondicherry, that is the part of South, and there people speaks Tamil. Okay. and I didn't know Tamil. There people don't know Hindi. So I was having only one choice. So automatically environment was there of the people of speaking English only over there. Okay. So they have to speak English. I have to speak English, right? For the proper communication. And that environment actually helped me to learn the English. And that's why I'm able to speak English today. Otherwise, it would have been difficult for me. Or maybe it would have taken a lot of time. So just after 2 years or 3 years over there, I spent for MCA, and I was good in English by then. Okay. So environment is very powerful. And in my community, you will get the environment also awesome environment. I conduct weekly inner circle call where I will be asking about your progress. You will get the similar mindset of people who is preparing for the job. Not many, few, but yes, you will be able to get it over there. Okay. And of course, because that is the community conducting regular inner circle call in case of any doubt, any question, any concern, I'm there to help you. Then what you have to do once you are done with all these things, right? The most important thing is going through the videos or some training, either it is live training or videos, anything is fine, whatever you feel convenient, you do that. And then prepare for the interview questions and answer. And the third thing, that resume on the portal like Naukri, Monster, and LinkedIn, and then start giving your interview, at least 5 interview you give. This is my recommendation. And I believe two you are going to crack easily, minimum two. Okay. So this is you should be your career path journey towards the SAP ABAP. Is it clear for everyone? Just type capital C if it's clear, the career path journey, how you can start your career in ABAP. Okay. If someone is having the gap, we can discuss that also. Just connect with me one to one and I will let you know the strategy. Okay. But if you are not having the gap, just 1 year, 2 year, 3 year experience is fine, means gap is fine, no problem. But more than 3 years, just connect with me and we can talk on that, what we can do. How to find a qualified mentor? We have discussed already, right? Just check out his credibility, like working experience, whether he has some training experience or not. He has some passion of writing the blogs, creating some videos on YouTube. Has he written some books? Anything is fine. Like it is not 100% necessary that he will be having all these things, but at least one or two, if it is there, then it's a good sign of being a qualified mentor. And also, like, see, all the trainers are not suitable for everyone. Some people find good with the videos, some people find good with the live training, right? So currently I don't have live training batches. Maybe in future I will plan. At this moment I'm having the recorded video call about my training program I'm talking about. You may find some live training from outside as well, but just check out the quality of content and if you were resonate with their training style or not. Okay. So this thing you should have to take care of. For that, just check his some demo videos and if you are able to understand or not. Even like if you're going to subscribe for my program, check out my demo videos. If you are able to understand, then only you enroll. Otherwise, check out some suitable trainer who is appropriate for you. Okay. Now, in their community, they should have some doubt clearing sessions so that if you are having some doubt, you will be able to ask. Some kind of support should be there. Here you will find the support in form of inner circle I conduct on weekend on Sunday 4 p.m. the inner circle call, and there I take up the doubts and other things also fruitful stuff we discuss. Goal setting, like how you have to conduct complete the session, and I will be sharing with you one Excel sheet as well, where you have to fill it out your progress. However, from LMS itself is visible, but separately also I share so that I can track your progress over there. Now you should have one dedicated community where if you ask the question, some people over there should be able to help you. Here in my case it is there. If you join, you are going to have that wonderful community. Everyone over there is with helping nature, with helping attitude and qualified, right? Now the salary part. Okay, now the salary part. So before starting the salary, till here whatever we have discussed, right? Is it clear for everyone? Just type again capital C, super clear. Just type SC. Just type super clear SC over here in the comment box, and then I will go ahead. Just type super clear SC. We good for, thank you for typing it over here, being interactive and being with me. How to find this we have done already. Now, how much can you expect salary in SAP ABAP as a fresher? Okay. So see, this is the ambition box. From there, I have got it. But generally, what you can expect that for fresher, you can state somewhere from 2 lakhs to 5 lakh starting salary. You know, this can be less also. It depends like what kind of organization and all. But generally, Accenture and all is giving nowadays, I think 4 lakhs. When I started, it was 3 lakh per annum. But currently, they have increased. I think for the fresher, anyone knows? Anyone is having idea over here how much Accenture and all is giving? But it should be, somewhere 4 to 6 lakh for a fresher for the Accenture and all, some big organization. Minimum if you consider 2 lakhs to 5 lakh, like that. 2 lakhs minimum and 5 lakh that upper level for a fresher. Uh, we can consider. SAP Labs gives better salary, I think 6 lakhs like that for a fresher, right? Deloitte might be giving better, more than 5 also, that is possible. Okay, so fine. 2 years if you are going to have, then 4 lakhs to 6 lakh, minimum 4 lakhs you can expect. See, like once you are going to have the experience, the game is going to change. Okay, so with 2 years you can expect like 4 lakhs or 6 lakhs. If you're going to change the company, of course you can go for the 6 lakh package. More than 100% hike you can also assume in the initial days. Okay, so 3 years again 6 lakhs to 9 lakhs, 4 years, 5 years, like that. So for the 5 years of experience, like you can expect 15 lakhs. I've seen some people they're getting 17 lakhs also, but not very so many. Currently, actually, after Corona, market got changed very much, and this is how the current scenario is. Okay, now you tell me how difficult SAP ABAP to learn, and other thing, like how much you are now feeling comfortable and motivated with SAP ABAP. Just type capital M if you are motivated now with SAP ABAP. I try to put it over, leave it that. Now see, if you compare with another technology like AWS cloud engineer salary and all, you can see almost the same like with SAP. So it's your choice where you want to make your career, AWS cloud or Google cloud or Java, right? So it's your choice. Machine learning or data science, you might get over there the better salary than all this technology. But again, everything is having its pros and cons, right? So it's all your choice. You have to do the research. But here, because you have come with a BAP mindset, I have told you everything about ABAP, right? What it is not, and what. So I believe like it's going to help you to take the decision if you want to start your career. If you are willing to start your career in ABAP, I have the course, this one SAP ABAP. Just I want to let you know in case like if you want to start your career. You can connect with me, you can take this course, okay, and you can progress on the journey of SAP ABAP. I've already shown you on that website. Maybe I will be sharing this link, and also you can go and check it out. Diwali, because of Diwali, you may get some offer as well. So if you decide to go ahead with me, you can go ahead. Okay. In case of any question, any query, any concern, this is the syllabus. Let me show you this syllabus, what I have covered. And apart from all this community accountability, the doubt clearing session you are going to have, right? So the table data dictionary part I have covered over there. In the data dictionary, you have the table, the different topics on the table, right? In detail. That course is very much in detail actually. Okay. That will make you master. Once you are having that video course, you are going to have the experience almost equal to minimum 8 years. Like if you follow properly, you know, you have to do the assignment. Okay. Search help, lock object. Under the report, you are going to have these are fundamental concept, very, very important, right? A string operation, character operation, work area, internal table. These are some very, very most frequently used keywords. You have to be good in that. Field symbol, little bit advanced concept, but yes, you have to know. OpenSQL for all entries, inner join, left outer join. Here you have the modulation techniques, include subroutines, function models, code redundancy, handling, basic report. See, so these are the stuff which I have covered over there. BO and BAPI, business object and BAPI, module pool programming. Again, it is very much in detail, this module pool programming. Okay. Enhancement, you can see that. A smart form, right? And then cross application, the basic stuff, not in detail you will be having in this core ABAP, but I'm going to give you early IDOC as a uh, separate recorded session. Okay, so you are going to have the good understanding of early IDOC. RFC function module, BAPI, batch job, right? Object oriented, the basic concept you are going to have it over here. New syntax 7.40 and new OpenSQL also I have covered in that. So full package is this, and it's good starting point. Like if you are a video lover, I don't have currently the live batch. I may plan in future for the live batch, but currently not. But if you are okay with the video, and if you are willing to start in the career, then you can go ahead and enroll into this course and get it started. Fine. With this, I'm done from my side. In case if you have any questions, just raise your hand, and what I will do that I will, I think already, you have the chat option, and yeah, I think it's fine. Just you can raise your hand, and what I will do, I will unmute you and you can ask the question in case if you have any question. Okay. Any question if you have. Chandni, Saptagiri, Ganesh, Shiva Shankar, Yash, Yogesh. Okay, Yash. Let me allow to talk to Yash. Yeah, Yash.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Yash.
Sir, actually, I want to confirm that
Hmm.
is ABAP the best module to choose right now?
See, it's interest also, like, uh, in SAP, yes, Abap is the best module at this moment to choose. It's going to help you everywhere. Okay. Do you love programming, Yash?
Yes, sir. I
Yes,
like
then
to do programming.
yes, that is the best module then.
Okay, sir. Thank you for answering.
Yeah, welcome. Shiva Shankar, I'm just allowing you to talk. Yes, Shiva.
Hello.
Yeah,
Good morning,
Shiva.
sir.
Good morning.
I am audible.
Yes, yes, you are audible, Shiva.
Sir, from my side, I have a doubt. This is
Mm-hmm.
a paidable course.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to one more, two or more friends having a desire to join your classes.
The live classes is not there, just like you want to be clear, it's a video based course only. Maybe future will be starting with Abap, but at this moment live class is not there. Doubt clearing session is there, inner circle call support will be there, you know yeah. So like if you are looking for the live class, maybe at this moment I'm not the right person, but yes, if you are looking for the recorded course and then after all sort of support, that is there with me. Okay.
In case any queries is
Yes,
there,
I'm there to help you. Yes, every time, anytime you can put the question on the WhatsApp,
uh, in
and we are
WhatsApp group.
not the group. You can ping me personally. You can WhatsApp me. If requires, I will take the session also. Doubt clearing session is always going to be there, like because I'm accountable for that. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome, Raja. Yeah, Raja. Yes, Raja. I have allowed.
Yeah, hello sir. Hello sir.
Yeah.
So
Yes, Raja.
actually,
Mhm.
I'm much more interested to learn that Fiori app development along with
Mhm.
Wi-Fi.
Okay.
So yeah. So is there any like that opportunity from your end?
Currently, I don't have any such course related with UI5 and Fury. Only I'm focusing on backend part. You know.
Backend part. Then
Yeah.
backend part is nothing but I want OData services and Abap and HANA from the
OData is
full
there.
scratch level.
Yes, that is there. Full scratch level and all kind
Yeah.
of community support,
Okay.
accountability, all these things you will get over there.
Yeah. Sir, Abap and HANA, sir. Abap and HANA.
ABAP on HANA, yes. ABAP on
Yeah.
HANA,
Uh,
OData,
uh,
this ALE IDOC, Adobe Form, ABAP, object-oriented ABAP, full
yeah.
package of ABAP is there, yes.
Okay. But from that I want only OData and one is Abap and HANA. Abap and HANA from Abap and HANA side. I want that information and like the things I want to learn. I want to involve from the scratch level with respect to CDS use.
Yes, it's there from the scratch level. I will be,
Yeah. And how,
sharing you this. Let me share itself that link. You can go and check it. Curriculum and everything is there. You can download the syllabus from there.
okay.
Yeah. Yes,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can.
sure. Is there any, sir? Is there any like that? Video classes only? Are there any? There is no live classes. Means for the video classes,
Yeah,
how
live
much
class is
money I
not
want?
there. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. How much money I need to I need to spend for that to get that Adobe not Adobe Forms like Abap and HANA and OData services?
see, for ABAP on HANA, it's 14,000, and for OData, I think it will be somewhere 7,000, something like that. So total 21, and maybe some discount is going on currently. I will let you know that. So
Yeah,
somewhere it will go 17, 18. It will go somewhere around. You will
yeah.
be
But
having the lifetime access for that. Okay.
yeah. Okay, lifetime access. Okay.
Yeah,
Is there any
lifetime access
possibility
community.
download? Is there any possible to download the session?
Session will not be downloadable, but you will be having the lifetime access. Just you need to have the internet access.
Okay. It's not
Yeah,
downloadable.
yeah, not downloadable. Yes. You will be having the internet access.
Nice.
Like, yeah.
Okay, sir. But
Mm-hmm.
one more thing. But so
Mm-hmm.
I had already searched so many institutes from other side, but I had
Mm-hmm.
already, but that there is no much of that thing which you are described in your classes, video classes. So because of that reason, I'm getting curiosity to learn from that UI5 and along with that Fury also. But I'm really disappointed because you are not provided services. But about
Yeah.
that, yeah, I'm really
Yes.
disappointed, sir. But I'm expecting that, yeah, so there is a chance to get that Fury and AI5 from your side. But I'm really disappointed. No, but so not a problem. But I will take that OData and Abap and HANA.
BAP on
So
HANA is there in depth. OData is also there in depth, like from
okay,
scratch to advanced level. Yes.
okay. Sir, just could you please once share your screen? Where can I go? That where can I find the courses and everything? Please, sir.
Yes. Just let me
Just
share
guide
it.
me. Just guide me. Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Just give me a second. I'm opening that one. You can go to www.saptechmedeg.com. Okay.
Okay.
And
Take screenshot.
go to the courses over here. Click on this courses.
Okay.
And better you get the package, don't get the individual course, get the package so that you will get the, for example, like OData,
Mm.
this
Yeah.
package. In this package, you will see here, you can OData med EG, OData interview questions and answer, like VBA interview questions and answer I have prepared and put it over here, and you will be having automatically the inner circle access as well. So get the package, uh, so look for the package, and then what you were telling Abap on HANA. So for this Abap on HANA, this is the one. Under this, you will be having this Abap on HANA, this particular course, and then Abap on HANA interview question and answer, then Abap on HANA, short question and answer also I have included, then
Yeah.
SAP. So this short question and answer is from here itself. So just in a small chunk, I have split it. The important thing is this one, about HANA interview question answer, and then inner circle access you are going to have. So actually what
Okay.
we do in inner circle, Raja, like we conduct the inner circle on Sunday 4 p.m. every weekend. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Doubt
Yeah,
section.
right. So doubt
Yeah.
section over there, the live, like in case, even if you are facing some issue in your project also, like, sometimes we face in uh, issue in project also, right? We are not able to get
Yeah.
the solution or struggling. So that kind of question also I take up over there, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And I
Currently,
help.
yeah, currently I have been working as a Abap consultant for
Mhm,
over 1 year of experience.
mhm, mhm,
But now I want to migrate so from core Abap. Completely, have been using OOPS and core concepts
mhm,
in my
mhm,
current projects. But now
mhm,
I want to migrate towards like
mhm,
front end development, like and also I want to become a full stack developer.
mhm,
So yeah, Abap and HANA with CDX views, I want to link with that whatever the data is there from that with the help of CDX view to Fiori apps and OData to Fiori apps and UI5. So I want to learn these things within the 6 months. I have already total plan. So today is the first time I started. First time I given preference to you.
mhm,
So why if I get this all the stuff from your in, it's very better for my future and career. What I thought to do the plan for that, but only two things only I have there a chance to get from you. That is the
mhm.
OData and another one is Abap and HANA. So now,
All
but in
right.
the Abap and
Mm.
HANA, is there any concept, sir? Can you tell any concept like how to link that, like that CDS you to send like that to send the data from that along with the help of CDS to Fiori apps? Do you that, sir, that
That is there.
scenarios?
That is there. Yeah, Fury elements I have covered. Not
Fiori
all,
elements.
but
Okay.
yeah, a list report section I have
Hmm.
covered. See,
Okay.
Fury elements, there are 4, 5 important Fury elements are there. Out
Hmm.
of that, I have covered master detail page and list report.
Okay. List report.
Yeah,
Okay.
list report is.
Okay. In OData, sir, OData, like that OData, is there any like theory involvement is there? So whatever the content
No,
is there in that.
in audit, in Abap on HANA, Fury elements concept is involved. In OData, it's completely OData. You know?
There is no involvement of like that theory, right?
No. There is no involvement of Fury. Yes. OData, only OData means how to create the service. How to consume the OData, that part is not there. Means front end part is not there.
Front end part. But I'm actually majorly I'm
Mhm.
focusing on the front end part. Sir, is there any possible to like that after the 6 months or 5 months? Is there any possibilities there to get here like that courses from you about like that UI5 and Theory?
Actually, I'm
Because
more
and also
my
cloud
most
also. Yeah.
mm, mm.
I want to ask about cloud also.
Yeah, cloud
So like
like
that
CAPM and
like
all, right?
cloud exchange, yeah, cloud exchange, yeah, cloud extensions to the cloud like cloud platform integration and analytics cloud. So the three things I want to learn also, because future is
Okay.
everything will becoming a front end development and cloud only. Yeah, there is no future for but to do these things we need to have the knowledge and ABAP. Without ABAP we cannot do. But the future
Sure.
is everything is this front end development and along with the back end support is very less. I think
Yeah, that's
if
why
the cloud, if the
yes,
everyone is
yes.
using cloud,
Yeah, that's why I was telling, like,
yeah,
your
yeah, yeah. So
fundamentals should be strong. Like, fundamental is good. ABAP is
yeah.
important.
That's why, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. SAP ruling the world,
right, right.
and
Yes.
SAP is ruling the world. Yeah, ruling the world. Without ABAP, we cannot learn. So if we learn ABAP, then only we can learn the other things of OData and ABAP and HANA and like that other like the cloud related. But I want to ask you one doubt, sir. With
Mm.
respect to cloud, I don't have any idea about that. So which one is belongs to our technical part? So I'm interested to take three: analytics cloud, okay, and
Mhm.
cloud extension suite, cloud platform integration. So among the three, so which one is our technical part?
Come once again. What are these three you told?
Which one is that one? Which one is our technical side? Yeah,
What are
cloud
those?
extension. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
cloud extension
Mm.
suite is the one. Second one
Uh,
is the cloud platform integration.
uh-huh.
Third one is the analytics cloud.
So all these are technical.
All these are technical.
All these are technical.
Yeah, like CPI, CAC, like all these are technical. Is there any code to write in this?
No, code is not there, but yes, in CPI you might have to write some code. Okay. As we write some code in PI, right? In Java or ABAP process. This
Yes.
CPI is like a cloud process integration, right? CPI.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
there, while doing the mapping and all, you might have to write the code. I'm not good in that. I don't have exposure towards the CPI, but yes, in PI and all I have worked on. So I
Okay.
think while doing the mapping and all. mm,
Yeah, sir. Can you suggest where can I get that proper like each and everything that like to learn that all the scratch level things related to the cloud? What I told these three things. I will these three things I will learn from someone else. But whatever the content you are provided, I will give a preference to you to learn from your end. I like that wow data services and above HANA.
O data
So
and
related,
yes,
yeah,
related to
from your end
CPI
only I will
and
learn. So like the
hmm,
CPI and analytics cloud, CPI analytics cloud, and a cloud like the cloud extension suite. These three things where can I learn? Could you please suggest me a better institute like you, like like a better guide, better like that faculty like you? But I don't know where can I get a
like
proper guidance.
yeah,
Yeah,
like that this community and all these things. I'm not sure, who is providing. I don't have idea about that, but from learning point of view, just like if you are looking for some recorded session or something like that, maybe you can take a chance to check with Anvo sir or Japyard,
Job
Uh,
period. Okay, okay.
hmm,
Anubhav and job period. Yeah, I know Anubhav and I know Anubhav.
So you
Yeah,
can,
I know.
yeah. So
And I know that Gens of Technology Sridhar also.
yeah,
Basically, had
Sridhar
trained.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. From that, I had
Sridhar,
learned from Gens
yes.
of Technology only, Sridhar
Hmm,
sir. I'm a student
Sridhar
of
sir.
Sridhar sir.
Yeah,
Yeah, then
okay, nice.
oops concept I learned from you.
Okay.
Completely core above concept I learned from
Uh,
the Gens of. Oops concept
uh,
is learned from you. These two
okay.
things only I learned and
Uh,
surviving as a above consultant. But
mhm.
yeah, but after so whatever the things I learned from you about the oops concept, then I'm getting curiosity to learn from the other things from you only. But I really disappointed the other. So whatever that other so most of that theory and like that about the front end development, whatever things are there, I'm
Mhm.
not getting from your insight.
Mm.
You really disappointed me.
I will come up gradually, that requires a little extra effort for me to prepare those. In fact, most of the focus currently is on my backend.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
want
yeah.
to be just like at least the backend solution. A student should have the proper everything over there in this field, and that's where I'm putting my more effort in the backend. Once like uh, I get contentment and fulfillment from backend side, I will consider to go to the front end side. Okay.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
But your explanation is good, sir. What your explanation is there, I listen only. So, but the topic is so in the first impression is the best impression. So in that
Mhm.
one, so I had attended 2-3 sessions of different kinds of that like that faculties,
Mhm,
they didn't tell about the difference between the pool table, cluster table, and
mhm,
yeah, that yes, sorted table like that. So
mhm,
they didn't tell any brief information like that. But just they are giving some like that. So this one is this one, that one is that one, like that. Only definition kind of thing. But
mhm.
you are explaining the PPT with one clear examples, so that makes me to learn some oops above concept from you. That's why I learned the oops above from your side. So
Okay.
yeah, that is a great thing. Really, whatever explanation is there and everything is from that. The even the person who are not intelligent in the code part also, he will easily do the code. So yeah, the way of your
Thank you.
explanation,
Thank you.
how
Thank
you
you,
are,
Raja. Thank you.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Thank you for
So
acknowledging,
real,
and uh,
yeah,
really, I'm
yeah,
thankful that you are
and
able
also
to.
yeah, actually,
Mm,
you don't know, sir. That's
mm,
I wanna unify one thing.
mm.
In LinkedIn also, you had sent a request to me also. I had accepted.
Okay, okay, okay.
This thing
Fine.
is happened before 1 year. So I have been
Mm,
following your YouTube. So
mhm,
and if I get any doubts or kind of thing in oops related concept, just I will rewind
mhm.
sometimes here sessions. So everything is good, sir. And also I recommended some other two or three people about Abap also. They are also purchased this core Abap, only core Abap from your side.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Raja. Thank you.
Even
Thank
though
you.
are
Mhm,
having more than 3 years of experience,
mhm,
they have been working like IBM, Accenture, like kind of MNCs.
mhm, mhm.
Then yeah, those kind of peoples are also interested to learn again from that whatever the content you are prepared.
Right, right, right.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Mhm,
yeah, yeah,
mhm.
even though that yeah, even though after getting the job also, after getting the 3 years of experience also, the peoples are looking for 1 year like
Yeah,
that
actually,
better
yeah,
guidance. Yeah,
yeah. See, like if we
yeah.
don't have the good understanding, right,
Mm,
it
mm.
really becomes difficult to work, right?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
It becomes difficult whether it is a
Wow.
basic ABAP or whether it is the object-oriented ABAP. It really becomes very difficult. So
Yeah,
that's
sir.
keeping that thing in mind, actually. Yeah.
Sir, yeah, sir. Are you
Mhm.
covered salary reports like SLVC
Yes, it's there, no? SALV in
in the
object
OOPS?
ori yeah.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
In
yeah, yeah. I
oops, you will be having the more in oops. Yes,
okay.
you can check out in the last section. If you are not able to find, just let me know. Okay, it's
Okay,
there.
okay. I will check.
Mm,
I'll check, sir. I'll check.
mm.
I'll check. I'll check. Definitely.
Oops, ALV is there
Yeah.
in
Sir,
detail.
what
Yes.
is the difference between the Salve ALV reports and Core ABAP from the Core ABAP related ALV reports and OOPS ALV reports? What is the difference between that? These three?
See, Salvi core ABAPs. So in core ABAP, different way of doing the ALV report, right?
Other than code changes, sir, other than code like that, we can use function
Mm,
module. What is that advantage? I want to know advantage. Code and everything I know that I understand. So
mhm,
we can use the function module like function modules to do. Here we
mhm,
can use that to call that methods and classes something. In the salary reports also I done like by using that dynamic internal tables by using
mhm, mhm.
like that whatever is there field symbols or something. So I know the way of code and everything, but what is the advantage? Why we need to follow
The
like that instead
advantage,
of yeah,
Salvi is the object-oriented approach, right? And
yeah, yeah,
CLGUI, ALV grid, that container-based approach, like object-oriented approach, that
mm,
is also the object-oriented approach, right? So
yeah, yeah,
Salvi is actually the combination of CLGUI, ALV, and your this thing, traditional one, reuse
mm,
ALV grid and reuse ALV list. Okay.
okay,
Salvi
okay,
has
okay,
been prepared for the efficient programming. Like, let's suppose you have to just display some data and you have to perform some kind of operation and fast forward you want to do the coding. Then the Salvi comes into picture. Okay.
yeah. Even
And
pitching also I'm getting very like that different way.
right. So
Yeah,
Salvi is easy actually, to use
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
Salvi. Like if you little practice over there for the Salvi, you
Mm,
find that one that is easy. And CLGUI ALV, the container based approach for ALV, that is like if your requirement is something complex and you have to design the ALV
Mm.
a screen based upon, let's suppose like you have the header and item, right?
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
in one of the
Understand.
screen, like you want to display all the header data, and when you click on the header, you want in the same screen, you want to display that item detail, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
There CLGUI ALV, grid
Yeah,
control will be
like
helping.
hierarchical, sir. Like hierarchical, like header and item.
Hierarchical, that is different, like means
Yeah,
on
okay, okay.
top, like if you want to put
Yeah, yeah,
you can see that
yeah,
you
yeah.
will be
I, I,
having
I did that, sir. I did that report in my project also. Hierarchical.
hmm, hmm,
Yeah,
hmm.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Good,
Okay,
very
sir.
good, very good, very good. Nice
Yeah,
talking with you, Raja. Thank you for
yeah.
all your
Thank you, sir.
compliment,
Thank you
feedback.
so much, sir. Yeah,
Really
thank you so
appreciate.
much.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank.
yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay, Yash. I think already he has spoken. Uh,
ఒకసారి మాట్లాడితే అందరు వింటారు.
so now, anyone else? Chandini, Siva, Modi, Liti, Yogesh Raut, are you willing to speak something? If you are willing to speak, I've unmuted everyone. You can just unmute and speak. Okay, I believe everyone is fine. Just type capital F if everyone is fine with this session. Just type capital F and we are going to stop the session now. Just type capital F. Thank you, Siva Sankar, Yash, Chandni. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you for attending the session. Hope I was able to add some value. I was able to connect with you. Just be in touch with me. Go and explore my YouTube channel. You can search with Pankaj Kumar SAP Tech Trainer. Let me show you quickly over here. You can go to YouTube and search Pankaj Kumar here. Pankaj Kumar, this SAP Tech Trainer, and you will get my channel over there. What is the best way to learn through my channel is that go to here and go to the playlist section and learn through the playlist. Like if you want to learn for free, you don't want to currently in the mode of doing the investment, you know, you can learn so many free stuff also. You can get it from here, you know, so just you can start learning from there. With this note, let's stop our session over here. Thanks once again from my bottom of my heart, and bye bye, take care.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, yes, yeah, please tell me.
So I have one doubt actually.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yes,
please tell me.
sir.
Yes.
Is your playlist in YouTube now? This
Mm-hmm.
SAP Abap made easy.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sir, is this the same course for which we
Yes,
joined
yes,
today?
yes, yes. But here complete is not there. In Abap, you have first 20 videos. You can learn first 20 videos
Yeah.
for free. For complete course, you have to get the course. All the complete course is not there. But yes,
Sir, you,
first
yeah, you also provide server for this.
server you have to get. I will give you the contact number. You can directly get from there. Server will not be included in this.
Okay, so
Yeah.
is there is also video access?
Video access, you'll be having the lifetime video access. Like if you're going for the lifetime plan, some 12,000 you will have to spend. Now I'm planning to change maybe next month or next to next. I have to revise the price, and I'm in mode of increasing. So maybe, but at this moment it's 12K, yes.
Okay, sir.
And some discount is also due to Diwali currently going on. So maybe you can take, like if you're willing to learn about, this is one of the best course which I can first you go for this 20 videos, you will understand the quality of content. Okay,
Yeah, sure, sir.
yeah, fine then. Thank you, bye bye, take care, have a nice
Thank
day.
you, sir. A lovely
Thank you.
session with you.
Thank you.